recent times, amidst building collapse in several locations in Nigeria, several housing estates are springing up, and it seems to be the end thing. In Nigeria, housing is still in its shortage and a huge problem, and investors are oftentimes welcome to the rapidly improving sector. But one area of concern to prospective habitats and investors is the question of reliability. How reliable are these estates? Can they withstand the test of time? These and many more questions has found its answer in the new building mechanism employed by civil engineers. The Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers, Lagos branch, in the recent routine inspection of a polystyrene structure in Bagada area of Lagos, was mystified by the level of compactness, durability, strength and cost-effectiveness of these new innovations in building technology.
It is cheap and affordable and available in the country. It's actually a low-cost material, and it's a low-bearing capacity material. That means that we use it to reduce the weight of the superstructure over our foundation. So it's an aspect of construction that we really need to explore and take advantage of. It's adaptable to the environment. In Nigeria, it's a good cause.
Well, it's quite commendable. It's a radical departure from what we've been used to. More interestingly, we have seen the ingenuity of the company in adapting it to our solutions, in adapting it to our environment. Elsewhere, you will see it being done, earthquake-prone areas. But even in economic disaster zone areas, we have found the polystyrene material lending itself to wide range of uses here. This is what I will call a fantastic development in.
Polystyrene blocks are used in construction as permanent insulation buildings. The blocks are energy efficient, not only for walls of buildings, but also the roofs and even floors.
We have gone a step further by introducing polystyrene floors, walls, and other structures that we can do in polystyrene to make the building lighter, one. To also increase the strength of the walls, because in actual fact, because the polystyrene comes cladded in galvanized mesh, when you spray concrete on it, it gives you a reinforced concrete layer on both sides of the wall and gives you a stronger wall than the regular blocks we use. I dare to say we have also been able to save some cost by using this material because of the fact that the weight of the material exerts less pressure on the foundation, so we're able to save costs all the way through the foundation to the top of the building. You know, the material itself, the polystyrene, is that same material inside our freezer walls and our cooler walls. So climate control is top-notch in these buildings. So in actual fact, we've been able to come up with this building, and that's what you have at the background here. These structures yet to be completed, but in polystyrene all the way. The only thing we have here that's reinforced concrete structures are the skeletal systems, the beams, the columns.
Apart from its strength and reliability, it is also very cost-effective.
We have been able to save 40%, 45% of the total cost of the building. But we boast of being able to save up to 60% of the cost of your building.
That's reasonable.
Now, what that means for us is that if your building was supposed to cost 10 million naira, you'll be building it for 4 million. We will save 60%. And it is now we have confidently saved 40% there because we're monitoring everything as it goes.
Okay.
I think some of our human errors and, because of the fact that we tend to design safely, please mark my words, in Nigeria, we have not been able to save up to 60%, but we boast of being able to save 60% if we can be creative enough.
Many engineers believe with polystyrene, the housing and construction future of the country is secured.